back in the day, the Fairytales used to be scary.
Hey, no, you're a pig, so slow down.
Oh, man.
It says slow. Pig crossing. See?
Yeah. There it is.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Big bad wolf? I'm not even gonna go for it.
Whoa.
Harry's going to be around. Ooh, candy. No, Nolan.
Candy for me!
I want candy.
You have
Where's
any?
the candy? I want candy. Where's the candy?
Please, where? I'm starving. That's too much. Oh, God,
Whoa. The lake. Or the river.
Come on. I think it's time to have the Molly quit. They said no drinking. Come on.
Drowsy. It's Doc.
Rich! Show yourself, coward! Where's that bitch from? Damn! I got scared from the shit. Don't ask me how they're not here. Wait, you're not supposed to have one anymore. Come on. I seriously still want my high five. Oh, come on! Why would no one give me a high five?
Dad, you're not scary.
You want that?
I live with you. I think I know you. How many years you know when Chester is starting for the Christmas tree?
Christmas trees? Come on. I like them.
Hello, new friends! You like Spider Baby?
Oh, I love them.
I love it!
Oh, look at that cute little fellow. Hey, that one. Oh.
Coming into my castle! Did you even ask for permission to record my castle?
How dare you go through your career without calling it pretty?
Go ahead! Such pretty head!
Oh,